Hello guys, this is Clive Mac and today I'm gonna show you how you can install the BlueStacks emulator on Windows PC. So in order to proceed, you just need to go to Google and first type in BlueStacks. So there you have it, you have BlueStacks, the first link. Just click on the first link here and you can see you can play White Pokemon Go from this BlueStacks too. Maybe I might make a video on that too. Anyways, before that, we'll just download the BlueStacks over here and wait for the downloading screen and just download it and you can wait for the download. So it's gonna take about 6 minutes to download. So in order to cut back this time, I already had this BlueStacks downloaded, so I'm just gonna cancel it over here, but you can proceed and download it completely. So I already have the BlueStacks file. Another thing that I would like you to search on is the BlueStacks requirements. So I hope that each of your PCs is compatible to BlueStacks and emulator. So if you're using Windows 7 or above, your PC, your PC must have about 2 GB of RAM main memory, and your PC must have 4 GB of disk space available. So these two things are important. And yes, you also need to be an administrator on your PC in order to install this. So these are some of the other requirements that they need, or let's just say that they demand. So there is also this incompatible. I would like to read you this. Please note that BlueStacks is incompatible with Bitdefender. You can install any one, but not both of them. So if you have Bitdefender, BlueStacks is not gonna work on your PC. So just go to this URL. I'll be posting this URL in the description box below. And just check whether your PC is compatible to BlueStacks. So here are some of the compatibility options, the options they have provided that you require your PC to have. So let's proceed with the installation of the BlueStacks emulator. So I'll just head on to my downloads and into my programs where I had downloaded this BlueStacks setup, that is, sorry. So the next thing is just double click on it and there will be this extraction. So I'll probably fast forward this extraction and it's gonna take quite some time, so hold up. So we are back again. Our extraction is done. Window, another pop-up popping up. Let's wait for that. So here it is. It's a window. Welcome to BlueStacks. You're saying. Okay, and just click next. And this is where you can decide where you want to store it. So you can click browse, and for example, I want to store it in C program data. So that is where I'm going to store. I want to store this in the default value. You can store it anywhere you want. It's not gonna cause any issues. Just don't store it in the Windows directory. It's okay if you store it in the C local disk C directory, not Windows one. So the next thing is just click next, and is BlueStacks blah blah blah. We don't need this, so you can keep this. It does depend on you, but it's rather recommended that you do keep it ticked on. So let's just keep it ticked on by default. So just install it, and again, we have to be waiting for this a little more. Just wait for it. This is I'm gonna probably fast forward this now. So we are back again. The installation has finished, and yes, the installation has finished. Make sure you have this ticked on over here, BlueStacks, start BlueStacks, and just we're gonna click on finish, and we'll wait for the BlueStacks agent to start up. Just gonna close this window over here. Well, apparently focusing a lot on Pokemon Go. So yes, there you have it, guys. Just click on these two tabs. Click on this Android tab over here. Let the BlueStacks app player load. So there we have it, guys. The BlueStacks agent is still loading. We're just gonna wait for this to load actually. So the first pop-up over here is about your location settings. So you just agree to this. Okay, it's just, so we have it. We have okay. I'm just gonna keep this yes. Okay, and yes, we have the BlueStacks agent, and I'm just gonna give you a quick tutorial on what the toolbar icons over here are. So this is just if you press this is gonna shake. So nothing else. It's like a phone, but you can shake it. It's quite a cool effect. So this is another where you can take screenshots. So you can take a screenshot of your phone. And this is about setting locations. You can set as I clicked in the pop-up button where it popped up. I clicked yes over there, so yes, you can do that. This button signifies that you want to install some APK. So if you click on this, there's gonna be a window which will open. Yes, this is the window, and you can click on the APK file, like files like this. So yeah, you can do that. And this is again copying files from Windows. You can copy some files from your Windows to the Android emulator. And this is a function over here given, a copy function and the paste function. And this is the volume up and volume down key. So you can just it's a mute, and yeah, it's a mute button. Okay. So if you want to check out the application which you can install, is just go directly onto over here. There are some sorting already done by the BlueStacks emulator regarding what and which you can install. So anyways, if you want to check out your apps, you can click them right over here, or just go and just click on this all apps, and you have more applications over here visible. You can just move up and down through this back button. And I would like to tell you another thing before I leave you. Over here, if you click on settings, there is this button, restart Android plugin. So if for any issues, your Android emulator, the BlueStacks emulator, is taking too much of your time, and you would like to just restart it, just click it over here, click restart Android plugin, and it will restart for you. This section over here, this section will give you this pop-up restarting BlueStacks. Wait for this for a while. So that is all for today, and maybe in the future I'm gonna make a video about how you can install Pokemon Go on BlueStacks and play it through, setting locations. There's gonna be 3-4 apps through which you have to install Pokemon Go, so you can't really play Pokemon Go by taking your laptop or your desktop somewhere to that location. So there is a trick for that, and hopefully I'll probably make a video on it. So if you wanna stay updated, just make sure you click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.